Morning guys, it's AJ. What's up guys? So right now you guys, Rachel's mom's at Dad's place to cook up a storm, you guys. Yes, she's doing a lot of cooking. Guys, so right now you guys, we are going to get some stuff at Sobeys. I had a little power nap, you guys. Rachel's coming with me.
Hi. Picked me up. Yeah, he picked me up, by the way.
Yeah, so that's what we are doing.
Just to let you know.
Guys, so right now you guys, we are doing label the bottles, so that's what we're doing. Now you guys, what are we doing?
Making cheesecake at your dad's.
There you go. So that's what we're
Father's
doing.
house.
Guys, I just dropped Rachel and her mom at my place tonight, so that's pretty cool and exciting. So I'm just heading to my dad's tonight, so that's what I'm gonna do. We got lots of stuff done, you guys. We got some cakes and some stuff done, so I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.